Hello guys, welcome to Test Quiz Tutorial. This is your guy Johnson Kevin. Today on this video episode, I just want to show you guys the two crypto coins that are going to be delisted as soon as possible in less than 10 days in the Roqque exchange wallet. So if you know you have a coin on Roqque, please do well to watch this video to the end, and also go on your Roqque and swap or sell them off because they're going to be delisted and that might cause you to lose your money. So guys, step by step, I am going to the Roqque exchange wallet to show you which coins are going to be delisted in the next 10 days. But before we do that, please support my channel by subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos like this. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me just let me just let me just do something. Let me log in to my wallet and show you. So guys, here on my wallet, right guys, here on my wallet. So what you're going to see here is the two crypto coins that are going to be delisted. Take a look, take a look. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you something. See more. Okay, okay. I just want to find it here. All right, guys. I think it's no longer showing up here because I sold out my own. I had two crypto coin that was supposed to, be delisted. But let me just take you to my gallery and show it to you. So this is it. Delisting in 10 days. You can see, but actually I've sold out my own today. You get it? So I sold out my own today. So sorry. It wasn't show it was showing there because it was meant to be delisted. So I have to sell it out. And meanwhile, I didn't do that when I was selling it out because I actually was like in a haste, you understand? I thought maybe I should just do it because I have a lot of works to do. So guys, this is it, guys. This is it. So make sure you check on Reef and Loom network before they delist it in the next 10 days. So guys, always make sure if you have Roqque, check if your coins are up to date and they are not delisting the coins that you are hodling. So guys, in the next video we're gonna talk about something else, and please do not forget to follow up if you like videos like this from me. So stay up to date and don't forget to also support my channel, and that's all you can do for me. I don't ask you of money, just support me guys. Love you.